Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an area chart inside the Canva sheets on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an area chart on your Canva sheet on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, I just going to select a data range here. So after selecting the data range, you just need to click on the elements first, and here you just need to click on the charts first, see all option. Then just scroll down and you have this option called area chart. Click on the see all option. So here you have a total of 3 to 4 charts, and here I just go with the unstocked area, so which actually graph look great. And here you can just change the item number and also the data easily customized, like have to have 12 different data items. For an example, here just going to customize that as 80. We can see it automatically changes on the graph. And also you have this option to change the customization option, like you can just turn off the legends or X labels. I'm just going to turn off the labels here. And also you can have a more customization option, and here I just going to change this colors to yellow, and this should be green. It's actually great. And this is, you can just click on the chart and you can just resize it and paste value on the sheets on your mobile phone. This is how you just insert a area chart on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Need Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.